Doing some butterfly baked chicken. Make sure you clean your chicken. Now I'm using a little bit of clarified seasoned butter that I made. I'm going to make a video about that. But for now, go ahead and mix that all in. Make sure you got the oven preheated at 350. We're going to turn it up about 375 later on. Add a little bit of smoked paprika. Just a tad bit. Mix that all in. I'm using unsalted butter. Unsalted butter, that is. A little bit more of that smoked paprika. Rub that all in. Now, I've been doing a little bit of SlapYa Mama. No offense to the mamas out there. It should be called SlapYa Daddy. LOL. Mix that all in. Get that nice and coated. Rub that all in. Follow it up with a little bit of parsley flakes. Fresh is best if you have it. If you don't, dry will do. Go ahead and get that nice and coated. And like I said, have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. But we're going to crank it up at 375 later on. Add a little bit more of that clarified butter and some more of that parsley flakes. Spread that all over. Yes, indeed. Put that in the oven. Aiming for an hour. And this is about 40 minutes later. Go ahead and baste that. Look at that. Looking good. Smelling good. Tasting good. 15 minutes later. Juicy. Tender. Moist. Baked chicken. Yes, indeed. Wednesday night. Wednesday night baked chicken. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. All my new subscribers, thank you. All my old subscribers, I appreciate you and I love you. Thank you. Thank you.